If you make the right choices, you can discover who you really are in the next 3 months. Hey there, smart people. Your favorite Uncle Matt back with you. Now that exams are over, you might be tempted to kick back and relax. But what if I told you there's a better way to spend your summer break? Yes, it's time to decide. Will you simply go through summer, or will you grow through summer? Let's take a cue from the legendary Muhammad Ali, who once remarked, "If you're the same person at 40 that you were at 20, you've wasted 20 years of your life." I want to challenge you with this. If you're the same person in September as you are today, then you've wasted your golden chance this summer. By the way, if you get value from my channel, in addition to supporting it with all the normal stuff, when you like, share, comment, and subscribe, please also support my sponsor, NeuroGum and Mints. If you want increased energy and focus, NeuroGum and Mints is an ideal way to do it. It's far healthier and way less expensive than those energy drinks out there. Try it and see for yourself. Get my best deal when you use the link tryneurogum.com/Matt DiMaio. You'll see it in the description below this video. Now let's talk about discovering who you really are. I recall a famous radio host, a noted psychologist, who could encapsulate the meaning of life in just a few powerful sentences. The purpose of life is to discover your gifts. The work of life is to develop those gifts. And the meaning of life is to give those gifts away. Now you might be thinking, what gifts? And that's precisely the point. Many of us, especially in our youth, are still on the journey to uncover these hidden treasures. Imagine a pie chart. Yes, it's less attractive than you, but bear with me. It's divided into 3 segments. One 20%, another 20%, and a whopping 60%. The first 20% represents what you know about yourself. Your basics, like your name, age, and where you live. The next 20% contains what you don't know about yourself. Why you prefer certain foods, or why certain things trigger allergic reactions. But here's where it gets really intriguing. The largest piece, that 60%, represents what you don't even know that you don't know. This vast uncharted territory is where your true potential lies, waiting for you to explore and unlock your latent gifts. This summer, your mission is to step boldly into the unknown. Pick up a guitar, sit down at a piano, or even try your hand at the drums. Learn a language you've never spoken. Dive into a class on a subject that's always intrigued you, but you've never explored, like astronomy or philosophy. Volunteer your time, maybe at a local shelter or community center. Get involved in environmental causes. Help out at an animal rescue shelter, or join a local sports club or theater group. And consider this. Often, the things we resist the most are what we need the most. If the idea of sitting still in meditation seems impossible, it might just be what you need. If the thought of jogging makes you groan, perhaps it's a sign to lace up those sneakers. By the end of this summer, armed with new skills, insights, and experiences, you won't be just passing time. You'll be transforming yourself. You'll emerge not just stronger and wiser, but as someone who has truly grown, ready to share your newfound gifts with the world. And remember, the journey of self-discovery doesn't end with the summer. It's just the beginning. Let's make it a summer of growth and exploration and fun. Let's not just go through summer, let's grow through it. Here's to a summer that leaves you bigger, better, stronger, and more powerful than ever before. Cheers to growing through what you go through. And I'll look forward to seeing you on my other videos soon.